Welcome to Rust Buster's installation guide for Chevy and GMC's 2007 to 2013 Silverado and Sierra 1500. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities. Follow all manufacturer's safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Unbolt and lift the bed and remove any fuel or brake lines near the repair area. Uninstall and lower the fuel tank. Step 3. Remove the frame section perforation for the front bed mount, or cut the mount off to be replaced later. Cut 1/4 inch of material from the bottom of the frame rail. Step 4. Grind the work area down to bare metal. Slide the frame section into place, using the frame holes for alignment. Seat clamp the part in place. Step 5. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the part in place, then weld all edges fully. If the bed mount was removed earlier, install a replacement now. Finally, apply a rust-inhibiting top coat. We recommend our Rust Buster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Once dry, reinstall any fuel lines or other lines or brackets that were uninstalled, reinstall the fuel tank, then lower and reinstall the bed.